Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglebag-lebag na tao with evidence. Naku, ano ba itong bagong pag-uusapan natin ngayon? According sa Abogado PH, the Judicial and Bar Council, JBC, has disqualified Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla from the Ombudsman post. A source with knowledge of the matter told abogado.com.ph sa araw na ito. Naku mga kabibig. Yung pangarap ni Boyeng Remulla na makapalit ni Ombudsman Martires, dapat siya ang posibleng papalit, na-disqualified pa lang siya. Naku, paano yan kabibig? Yan ang pinag-uusapan ng maraming netizen ngayon at talagang na-shock sila sa revelasyon mga kabibig. So eto i-share ko sa inyo. Sabi ng iba, this is good news. Uy, good news daw. Sabi ng ilang mga netizen. Yan yan po ang pinag-usapan ngayon mga kabibig. Nako. Bakit parang good news ito sa maraming netizen natin? Sabi naman ng ilan, posibleng good news yan, posibleng bad news para kay Boyeng. Bad news yan kay Boyeng Remulla, sabi ng mga netizen natin. So, basahin natin kabibig ha kung ano ang laman diyan. GBC disqualifies Boyeng Remulla from ombudsman race due to pending case. Remember, si Senator Amy Marcos ay naghain ng kaso sa ombudsman sa mga group efforts. Remember yung nagkidnap, yung group efforts na kidnapin si Pangulong Duterte na ilagay sa ICC. Kasama si Boyeng Remulla na pinaiimbestigahan ni Senator Amy Marcos. At ngayon ay nakikita na ang naging resulta sa ginawang paghain ng investigasyon ng kaso ni Senator Amy Marcos kay Boyeng Remulla sa ombudsman. At maybe ito yung posibleng rason kung bakit disqualified si Boyeng Remulla. Naku po. Basahin natin ha. The Judicial and Bar Council GBC has disqualified Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla from the Ombudsman post, a source with the knowledge of the matter told abogado.com.ph on Friday. The source, who requested anonymity as they were not authorized to speak on the matter, said the disqualification was due to a pending case against Remulla, ironically pending with the Ombudsman in connection with the arrest and transfer of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ay posible. Mahirap naman kung maging ombudsman ka tapos meron kang pending case. So pwedeng ibasura ang pending case mo pag ikaw nang uupong ombudsman. The International Court ICC issued a warrant to Duterte arrest March. He is currently being held in The Hague on charges of crimes against humanity for his wires on drug campaign. According to the source of Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, PCSO Chair Felix Reyes was also disqualified from the race. Reyes is reportedly facing accusation of fixing cases for businessman Charlie Atong-Ang, who is implicated in the disappearance of 34 cockfighting enthusiasts. He vehemently denied the charge. Following his disqualification, Remulla reportedly informed officials of the Department of DOJ that he was no longer a candidate for the ombudsman position. Had Remulla not been disqualified and been appointed to the post, he was to recommend earlier Undersecretaries Raul Vasquez or Jesse Hermogenes Andres as his replacement, the source continued. In March, Senator Amy Marcos, the head of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee, recommended charges of graft, grave misconduct, usurpation of judicial functions, and arbitrary detentions against several officials, including Remulla, for the Duterte arrest. The committee has been investigating the arrest since March. Yun pala mga kabibig. Paano yan? Pero ang balita ngayon mga kabibig, sabi dito, Sabi ng Supreme Court, Remulla not yet disqualified from ombudsman bid. Sabi ng Supreme Court. Sabi ni Supreme Court spokesperson Camille Ting made the assurance following reports that Remulla got disqualified due to a pending case he is facing before the Office of the Ombudsman in connection with the arrest of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. But in response to some of your queries whether the GBC disqualified Remulla from ombudsman position, the Judicial and Bar Council has not yet commented the vetting process, as the official list of applicants under consideration has yet to be published. Meanwhile, Remulla refuted reports that he already informed some official as the DOJ that has given up on his application due to the alleged disqualification. Sabi ni Remulla, I'm not giving up on my application. Oh, so hindi talaga siya mag-give up. Gagawin lahat ni Remulla na maging ombudsman. Oh, grabe si Remulla ha. May fighting spirit talaga. Pero ito naman ang mga komento ng ating mga netizen hinggil sa issue na ito. Grabe ang mga komento ng ating mga netizen. Sabi ni Kifichu, my Diyos at hindi niya tayo pababayaan. Salamat sa Judicial and Bar Council for giving us hope that justice still works in this country. May pag-asa na ang Pilipinas. Oh, is this the start of the reckoning? Oh, nako. And now the end is near. Thank you, Lord, sabi ni Joy Del Valle. Ito pa ang sabi ng mga ilang netizen, mga kabibig. Good news are unfolding. The table starts to turn. So, hindi rin tama maging ombudsman siya kasi may pending case. Grabe naman kung papayagan pa siya maging ombudsman. Of course, yung final ni Aimee, posible ibasura talaga kung siyang uupo. Magandang balita yan. Dapat sa mga yan ay sa basurahan mapupunta. Sabi ni Pangkaliwangan Brian. Deserve niya. Sobrang angas kasi. Bilog talaga ang mundo. Good news. The world is healing talaga. Salamat, Diyos. Kasi if they do consider our justice system is doomed na talaga kung siya ang uupong ombudsman. Taas talaga ng ambisyon ni Remulla. Siguro namang puro pabor sa kanila ang mga gagawing aksyon kung maging ombudsman siya para lang kontrolhin ang kalaban nila sa politika. Meresi. Good news. Justice really works in our country. Simula ng binasura, kung hindi binasura diha, hindi na unconstitutional yung impeachment kay si Bibi Sara. Ngayon naman, itong disqualified si Boyeng Remulla dahil sa pending cases niya sa ombudsman. Nako. So yun kabibig ang mga komento ng ating mga netizen na parang happy sila. Sana nababasa ko, no? Wala namang mga negative, wala namang, ay, sana si Remulla na ang maging ombudsman, praying for siya. Wala ganun. Parang good news, good news. Parang makapagpagluto ng spaghetti. Naku. Aimee was wise to initiate this. Di ba? Oo nga, in March, Senator Aimee, di ba? Ang dami palang kaso, pinaiimbestigahan ni Senator Aimee Marcos nila. Charges of graft, grave misconduct, usurpation of judicial functions, and arbitrary detention against several officials, including Remulla. So, mahirap naman kung gawin siyang ombudsman. So, itong pinaiimbestigahan ni Aimee ay posibleng basura kung siyang uupo. So, kung ako ang nasa, sa GBC, natural, kung ako disqualify na lang talaga. Hirap naman, di ba? So, ano ang iyong reaction hinggil dito, kabibig? Is this a good news or bad news? Alam ko naman may mga supporters si Secretary Boyeng Remulla, and I think if mabasa nila ang news na ito, baka masad din sila. Kasi sabi naman nila, magaling si Boyeng Remulla, may ibubuga si Boyeng Remulla as the new ombudsman. Pero yung iba, nababasa ko talaga, good news, merese, taas ng ambisyon, good news, the day of the reckoning, parang makapagluto ng spaghetti, crushed ambition, ang gaba dili magsaba, merese, super good news. Yun ang mga komento ng iilang mga netizens. So yun lang kabibig ang ating Ladies Lebak-Lebak for today. Ano ang iyong komento dito? disqualified si Secretary Boyeng Rimulya sa pagiging ombudsman. Is this good news or bad news? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video para sa mga latest trending news nating pag-usap-usapan. Bye everyone! See you next time!